Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Brazilian film director Oscar Maron Filho dies at IFFI, collapses at open forum after a cardiac arrest. No screening of documentary of late M F Hussain. Artists condemn attitude, demand screening. Panchayats take strong guards against regional plan and special gram sabhas. Many say scrap the plan, some want rectification. Curti Khandepar Panchayat opposes inclusion in PDA. Congress Party's candidate screening process commences. Oscar Fernandez meets aspirants. Aspirants warn party against groupism by heavyweights. Oscar takes strong note. Depression over Maldives and Lakshadweep area moving northwestwards. Goa witnesses mild showers and stormy winds. IMD and US Navy's Joint Typhoon Warning Center says no cyclone threat. 27 freshers turn up for snooker workshop at Miramar. Dhruv Sitwala unearths a few youngsters. Arjuna Awardee Devendra Joshi focuses on seniors. And Ranji skipper Robin D'Souza hoping to carry newfound momentum against Hyderabad and Jharkhand. Tags Vivek Kolamkar, a player's coach. Robin to miss Dakari's services dearly against Hyderabad. Now the news in detail. Brazilian film director Oscar Maron Filho died of a heart attack on Sunday. He was speaking at the open forum when he suffered a heart attack. He was immediately shifted to GMC. There he breathed his last. Meanwhile, IFFI Directorate postponed the screening of documentary on M F Hussain following opposition from Hindu Jagruti Samiti. Artists gathered at Inox Courtyard and condemned this attitude towards the art and artist. They have demanded immediate screening of this documentary.
Brazilian film director Oscar Maron Filho died of a heart attack on Sunday. He was in the state with his film Mario Filho, the creator of Crowds. He was 56 of age. Filho was speaking at the open forum when he suffered a heart attack. He was immediately rushed to the Goa Medical College, where he breathed his last. His film was screened at the soccer cinema section for IFFI. Following this all, the events in IFFI were cancelled on Sunday and 2 minutes silence were observed in screening halls to pay homage to the departed soul. Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar said that government cannot be directly blamed for Oscar Maron's death, but added that there was no quick medical action from the concerned officials.
I death जाले हे खंयचे सरकारामुळे जाले किंवा हाजेमुळे जाले आसता अशें ना. डेथ जाले आसा ताजो वेळ आयिल्लो आसतलो. पण ताका जी पळय जे रिक्वायर्ड क्विक एक्शन आसचें पडटा थंय खंय तरी सरकार म्हाका सांग आतां ऑलरेडी देर इज अ कंप्लेन आत्तां कांय जाण मेळ्ळे उलयताले की कोण थंय पावून ना म्हणून.
Meanwhile, the scheduled screening of the film to commemorate the life of M F Hussain at IFFI was postponed following opposition from Hindu Janajagruti Samiti. A documentary on Hussain called Through the Eyes of a Painter was scheduled for screening on Sunday. Documentary is based on Hussein's Gajagamini and Minakshi, Tale of Three Cities. Artists gathered at the Inox Courtyard on Sunday evening to demand a screening of the film. They have condemned this attitude towards the art and artists. IFFI director wants to be clear about the legal standing of the documentary.
Really, I hate such people who do such sort of nonsense on the name of banner of Hinduism and this. I am also for Hindu and maintenance, but such things in the matter of they should not interfere.
Yeah, we do not agree with whatever has happened today, and a secular country like India, and also for Goa, which proclaims to be very liberal and democratic and all that. Huh?
If there is a stay, we need to know about it. So we didn't have time, because today is the screening. So we didn't have time, so we just postponed the screening of the film. So we just postponed the screening of the film till we get a legal opinion on that.
It's shocking. The citation certificate in the name of cine star Madhuri Dixit was found lying on the floor at the Inox courtyard. Deepak Lobo, director of Film Goa, found the citation certificate and spoke to us and expressed that organizers should take ample care to see that the acknowledgement reaches the recipient celebrity.
We have this year Madhuri coming in, the very legend of Bollywood. She inaugurated 2 events in the IFFI, and later on she was publicly felicitated at Margao at the hands of CM, that is Digambar Kamath. But surprise to me is that a felicitation, that is called citation certificate, for her being here in Goa for the 42nd IFFI was lying in Inox courtyard, which I found personally and which is here for you to see.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Severe opposition to Regional Plan 2021 continues in Gram Sabhas across the state. Most of the Panchayats have opposed Regional Plan. They have demanded rectifications in the plan, especially the marked width of roads, and zoning has become a bone of contention. Curti Panchayat has strongly opposed its inclusion in the PDA. However, local MLA and Home Minister Ravi Naik has supported the move.
It was yet another tough Sunday for Regional Plan 2021. Many panchayats from North and South Goa held a special Gram Sabha on Regional Plan on Sunday. Sal and Naveli Panchayat have opposed the Regional Plan 2021. Naveli Panchayat Gram Sabha has mentioned that important religious structures and water resources are not shown in the Regional Plan. Banauli Panchayat wants rectification in the plan, but most of the locals demand scrapping of the Regional Plan. Width of the roads shown in the plan has become a bone of contention between Gram Panchayat of Agarwado and the government. Gram Sabha is opposing the plan.
आणि दुसरी गोष्ट बाकी कितें रोड जे कितें आहा पळय ते रोड तेंचे 10 मीटर दाखयला. ते रोड तुमकां मान्य आसा विलेजांचे आगरावडो साखरेच्या देवळा कडेन 10 मीटर दाखयला आणि हो चोपडे मोरजी 25 रोड मीटर दाखयला.
Morje Panchayat has also opposed the RP 2021. Mirshe Panchayat has also demanded scrapping of regional plan. Nasnoda Panchayat too opposes the Regional Plan 2021.
We went along with the original draft which was sent to us, and we proposed a plan. Today when you look at the plan, it is all exactly counter to it.
This was the overall picture across the state on Sunday. Sal, Naveli, Banauli, Kolwa, Gaudongri, Curti, Agarwado, Morji, Mirshe, Nasnoda, Neura all oppose RP 2021. Gram Sabha of Curti in Ponda has opposed the inclusion of area under Planning Development Authority. However, Home Minister and local MLA Ravi Naik has supported the move. Home Minister attended this Gram Sabha on Sunday.
Curti Khandepar गावातल्या खंयच्याच लोकांक सांगनासतना विचारनासतना हांगा आमचो जो कुर्टी आनी खांडेपार भाग आसा तो पीडीएन आस्पावून घेतला.
वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट काही लोकांचा असता आणि त्याक लागून माहिती आहे त्यांची जोड जाता पण त्याक लागून ते तांकां हे पीडीएन नाकाच.
Overall, panchayats have rejected the regional plan. They demand rectification. The picture across the state on regional plan will be clear before the government by 5th December. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The screening process for selecting Congress candidates for upcoming assembly polls has commenced. Senior Congressman Oscar Fernandez on Sunday met aspiring candidates in Congress House. The final list of candidates is expected to be declared only after the announcement of the election dates. Some aspirants have expressed anguish over efforts of heavyweights to dominate the party. Sources say Oscar is likely to take a strong stand against groupism by heavyweights in the party. Watch this report.
Oscar Fernandez is heading the screening committee. The committee will recommend names of Congress candidates to Central Election Committee for forthcoming assembly poll. On Sunday morning, ticket aspirants such as Babi Bakkar, Naresh Savar, Surendra Futardo met Oscar Fernandez in Panji. Marvin Gudino, Danan Narvekar and others also met him. Surendra Futardo, who has recently joined back Congress, has claimed to contest from Panji.
I met Shri Oscar Fernandez ji and I placed before him my proposal and my desire for contesting the Panjim seat.
But Naresh Savar and Babi Bakkar are upset as few are planning to give tickets in Bicholi and Mandre to Rajesh Patnekar and Dayanand Sopte respectively.
Rajesh Patnekarak दिवचलची तिकेट दिली जाल्यार हो सीट तुमच्या हातांतल्यान गेलो हे हांवें तांकां सांगलां.
इंडिपेंडंट रावतले
हांव हो विचार हांव आतांच सांगपाक शकना. काँग्रेस पार्टीचेर म्हजो पूर्ण विश्वास आसा.
काँग्रेसचे काम करपी आमचे
भाव आसा तेंचेर अन्याय जावन तुमी दिवं नाकात अशें म्हणून तांकां सांगलेलें आसा आनी फूल बरो रिस्पॉन्स ताणें आमकां हो दिल्लो आसा.
Ramakant Khalap also met Fernandes. He says he's not claiming for any seat, but he's quite capable to contest from anywhere in Goa.
त्यामुळे हांव क्लेम करणे किंवा क्लेम ना करणे ह्या भुमिकेन ना आनी एक नवे एकट्याक कोणाक तरी पक्षा पेक्षा मोठो करपाचो जो प्रयत्न जाता तो करूंक दिवं नाकात इतलें सांगलां.
However, Oscar Fernandes has clarified that names of candidates would be declared only after election dates are announced. He says has heard all the grievances over ticket allotment and High Command will take the final call.
When the final list is expected by the middle of January or at least end of January, because
no, we can do that any time, but the question is we should know when the election is going to be held. Once we know when the election is going to be held, we can take these decisions.
Our senior reporter from Panchi, Rakesh Kanurkar, with video journalist Devendra Kaukar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.